What is the real meaning of eating corn in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of eating corn dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see eating roasted or boiled corn in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity in the coming future. Or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon with big monetary gain in real life. But sometimes this dream also suggests sudden spiritual awakening that will make you a more powerful and happier person in the upcoming time. Now number 2, if you see eating unripe corn in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to have some patience in life. Or you should cross-check your plans before execution because sometimes hastiness or premature decisions cost us the loss of money, energy and time. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to think carefully before making any kind of important decision in real life. Now number 3, if you see eating ripe sweet corn in a dream, then it indicates a new relationship or you are going to meet someone special in life and success in any work, project or planning very easily. Or you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication in the form of success. Now number 4, if you see plucking and eating corn from plant in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to achieve something big in life that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 5, if you see buying and eating corn in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. But sometimes this dream also suggests to focus on your true desires and goals, only then you can achieve real happiness in life. Now number 6, if you see cooking and eating corn in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication which you have been waiting for a long time. Or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance and delay. Now number 7, if you see eating rotten or spoiled corn in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning that you have chosen the wrong path in life or you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment in life. But sometimes this dream also suggests difficulties or obstacles to completing any work, project or planning in waking life. So to avoid these problems, you should adopt a positive attitude towards life or you should cross-check your plans before execution in real life. Now number 8, if you see eating burnt corn in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning to leave your past in the past as soon as possible because there are lots of new opportunities present all around you. So this is the right time to set new goals and work upon achieve them. Because something big and positive is waiting for you in the coming future.